San Francisco clearance, good morning, Redwood, 1231. Information India to Kennedy, please.
1231, San Francisco clearance, located to the JC Airport, San Francisco 8 departure.
Today I'm going to show you a little bit of Ortega Highway, hopefully in a way that you haven't seen before. It's definitely in a different way. Enjoy the ride. Off to the left there, we'll be heading out that way. Alright, I'm traveling down Antonio Parkway right now. Started at the corner of Banderas and Antonio. Yes, a city like Antonio Banderas, and named a few streets after him. I gotta say, I'm partial to his old 1995 movie called Four Rooms. I thought it was hilarious. As you can see, great, beautiful day, perfect riding conditions. And I'll throw in some weird animations on the screen, just because I can, and it's fun. Tuesday mid-morning, and not much traffic, which is really nice. Been doing construction on Ortega, widening it to 2 lanes in some areas. And a lot of times it's closed on the weekends and closed during the day, so we'll see what we get into. Just a minute. I would say now would be a good time to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell if you want to see future videos or get notified of them. Maybe. YouTube's not the best at that. But we'll take a little ride down Ortega. Probably won't go too far. This area is called Rancho Mission Viejo. It's a nice area. They're starting to build it up though. A lot of new houses, but it's California, so gotta be pretty rich to afford them. But if you can, you're right on Ortega Highway, and aside from the meteors, it's a good time. Here's a map of the area. That's where we're riding today.
Be sure to subscribe to Dragon Rider Productions.
The construction has started. I'll just go with plan B and pull off well, I was supposed to turn right there. It's a fire station. I don't really want to go through there, but impossible backing this guy back up a hill. Oh, gate's open. Alright, be heading down this way a little ways. Find a nice spot. Set things up.
Subscribe to Dragon Rider Productions, or I will destroy you.
Nice shady spot to set up. I'm looking at the screen. It's nice to stand in the shade so I can see it, see where the drone is going. Perfect place to park. No parking. Kind of worried about flying up through these trees, but don't have much choice. Well, looks good. This will be the spot. I used the DJI Spark. Nice, small and compact, and fits well in the saddlebag. Don't need all this stuff, so got a little carry case. Drop it in the bag. Off and going. Well, I'll be flying from here. If you can see me there. Best to do some low-level stuff before I take the thing out and find out it's not working for some reason. On my favorite subject. No, not me. That would be my bike. A lot of you feel the same way, I'm sure. Now for the glamour shot. Now that's looking down Ortega. Head that way, you end up in Lake Elsinore. I never get tired of riding this road. I won't tell you how many decades I've been doing it. First time out Orange County when I was 15, I took the Ortega Highway. And that way is heading on back to Orange County. And that's what you're riding on. Well, I'm bugging out now. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to go ride. So I'll just leave you with some drone footage and enjoy. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Bye.